Before I go ride, I have a checklist of things that I go through to make sure my bike is ready to go, especially if it's the first ride of the year. Prepping for the season includes more than just the bike, but the gear too. You often hear pro riders talk about how their clutches slip. And what that means is when you ride in tight areas or you're abusing the clutch a lot, it gets hot and will glaze over, causing your clutch not to grab like it's supposed to. When that happens, your bike will start to feel like your clutch is pulled in when you're landing off a jump or under hard acceleration. When your bike starts to feel like it's notchy or chattering when you take off, that's when your clutch basket needs to be looked at. When it comes to a replacement system, even if it's just plates and springs, we have top brands such as Hinson, as well as both traditional and automatic clutches from brands like Recluse.